Hello, my name is Bob Badger, and this is my presentation on residential real estate. So what is residential real estate? What's it all about? Residential real estate deals with land and buildings that have been zoned and built for families to live in. In other words, it's a place for families. These can range from condominiums to single-family homes, from apartments to mobile home parks, and yes, even to tents. The idea is that these are places for families to live. The saying that a man's home is his castle describes the feelings that many feel about where they live. So what are the opportunities in real estate? First of all would be the real estate agent or the realtor. Most of the transactions handled by realtors deal with residential properties. People either looking to sell or to purchase a home. They usually won't use a realtor because of the services that they offer. Next would be an appraiser. The job of the appraiser is to look at the home, look at the area, look at past sales to determine how much a home is worth. Next would be the architect. The architect designs the buildings, designs the communities, all of these done by an architect. Then, of course, we have the builder who takes the plan and puts it all together. Other opportunities in real estate include investors who buy homes and then sell them for a profit, and even flippers. House flipping isn't really turning a house upside down like the previous picture, but buying a home at a good price, fixing it up, and then reselling it. There's a lot of opportunity and a lot of money to be made in flipping homes. The gentleman that I know recently flipped a property in the Phoenix area for well over $1 million, so the money is there. Arizona real estate in the Phoenix area is improving. In an article published by the Home Buying Institute, they felt that the market was looking good for 2018. The Phoenix area was hit very hard by the housing collapse of 2008, but they've began to recover. Back in 2008, the market was flooded by homes, and now in 2018, there is a shortage of homes. House prices rose a little over 9% last year. There are a lot of opportunities in the Phoenix area, but again, there are a shortage of homes. In Apache County, where I live, it is not quite as rosy. This is one of the poorer counties in the state, with 41.6% of the county earning less than $25,000 a year. Looking at real estate listings for the area, they range from $29,900 for a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 660 square foot home to a $292,500 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,300 square foot home. That kind of gives you an idea of the range. There was one home that was listed for well over $2 million, but that was kind of outside the norm. Residential real estate is where my interest is. Being able to help people acquire a home where they can raise their families is very appealing to me.